Hey guys, so today we're going to be taking a look at this Galaxy S5 that will not power on. See, look, hold the power button, nothing. So what we're going to do first, we're going to take off the back case. You just peel it off here, and as you can see, the battery is actually chocolate pudding, so I think that's probably the problem. So what we're going to do, just scoop that out. Okay, now what we're going to do is we are going to put in a real battery, and then pop that right in. Oh, hang on. There. And pop the back cover on, snap it in, and then boom, there we go. So that's how you fix a Galaxy S5 that won't power on.